channel once again, and in this video I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be saying my mind about this particular website called freedoge.io. freedoge.io, for a number of reasons, does not appeal to me, and these are some of the reasons which I'm going to be coming out with and telling you in order to beware, because there are a lot of scam. There are a whole lot of scam websites out there which are trying as much as possible to get your cryptocurrency and your money from you. I want you to sit back and relax and try to learn one or two bits from this. And if you have any opinion or any experience with this website or any other thing, you can comment in the comment section while we move. So the first reason why I'm not comfortable with this website is the fact that the script, if you look carefully at the script of this website, the script used in preparing this website is actually a clone script. What I mean by a clone script is the fact that there is this particular website called freebitco.in. freebitco.in, on the other hand, is a genuine website. This is freebitco.in, is a genuine website which has been available for a number of years. At least I have been using freebitco.in for close to like 7-8 years with consistent payout. So freebitco.in has been available for a very long time. So if you look at it carefully, the two scripts used in preparing the two websites looks virtually the same. And to top it up, in some few years ago, freebitco.in had a sister website called freedoge.co.in. If we go to the domain right now, freedoge.co.in, if you type in the domain name, it shows you that freedoge.co.in has been shut down permanently due to some users' fraudulent activities. This website, freedoge.co.in, was shut down permanently some like 3 years ago. But here on the website, it still says you can withdraw your Dogecoin balance to your wallet or ask for it to be converted to BTC and credited to your FreeBitco. So you see that FreeBitco and FreeDogeco, they are the same website owned by the same set of people. FreeDogeco has been shut down, but even here, if you have withdrawals, you can still place your withdrawals right from this website. These guys are honest, and they all the while I have known them, they are very, very good. So this website is taking advantage of the fact that freedoge.co.in has been shut down to use the exact script in preparing this website. So for this reason, number one, I will not want to trust this website. The second reason why I might not want to trust this website is the fact that if you go to this is a site whereby you can verify the registrations of a particular website, the DNS records, the whois, and every other thing. You see that this website was registered on the 8th of July 2021, so it's a pretty new domain. And it was registered in 2021 July, and it's going to expire. So most people who are in for serious business will not register a domain name in order to just for it to be off for just 1 year, because this domain expiration is in 2022. This year that we are in, by July, is going to expire. So you don't really want to take them serious, as you don't really want to put in your money into something like this. Also, if you look at the registrant contact, everything is privated. Everything is it is private. It is set to private. So there's not much information about this website. That's the second reason. Also, if we go to freedoge.io Trustpilot review, check the reviews. Now, the first thing you get to see is that freedoge.io is a scam. They have done this before, twice in the last 2 years. Now they give a week or so, blah blah blah. You see, now let's go to Trustpilot's report of this website. These are some of the things we'll use. Now it says all legitimate free faucets never require a fine. One of the things that this website requires is the fact that they require a deposit for you to use the free section, whereas even in the old freedoge.co.in, which I used for many years, they never required you. In as much as you can win or you can roll the faucet, every hour, you definitely win some Dogecoin then. But these ones require that. So if you look at the trust pilot reviews, you see that there are a lot of scam reports. Now here you have like up to like 75% bad rating, 75% bad rating, which is extremely, which is not good. Even the 25% good review is, so you see very good. You see someone here talking about it like a reliable company you can invest without fear. It says the free section is time later was disabled for you according to our rules, blah blah blah. Now I said the site is gone, it was a rug pull, blah blah. So you don't really want to invest in a company that you really do not trust their existence. So if you log into the, let me log into my account. Let me log into my account of freedoge.io. So it says due to the fact that I did not deposit any Dogecoin into my account. So it says the free section has been disabled in my account, which is actually not the norm. In Free Bitco, if you register with Free Bitco, I'll leave a link in the description if you want to register with Free Bitco. I'll still do a comprehensive review of this website too, to show how legitimate and how trustworthy it is. If you register, if you can roll and win some Bitcoin in freebitco.in every hour, every 1 hour, you win some satoshis. But here, due to the fact that you did not deposit, you are not given the privilege to roll the free section. Now if you come to the multiply section, you see that there are a lot of annoying ads moving from one link to another on this website. There are a lot of annoying ads. You seem to see a lot of annoying ads moving around this website. There are so many annoying ads and redirections. They seem to be so much obsessed with making money rather than actually for people to enjoy the faucet which they claim to have. So I think for this reason, there are a whole lot of, I never tried the deposit or withdrawal section. I never tried to deposit any Dogecoin. It says I think the minimum deposit is like, minimum withdrawal value is 15 Dogecoin. So if you have any experience with withdrawal from this website, I'll want you to comment. If you have withdrawn successfully or you have deposited successfully into this section, I want you to come down in the comment section so that we can know how easy and how possible it is to deposit and withdraw from this website. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.